Ichi?
Hey, Chi. He misses you all. Like, hinimuan na yun.
Laki na hanip ko.
They said they miss you all. And they're just asking for
Laki na hanip.
And then I saw their house more.
He says,
But
Did you see it one
they
time?
have like a really big, like, in the
is that treadmill?
center.
This is treadmill? Nice, huh?
It has,
That's just, did you figure out what the luxury item was?
there's like, she said masarap. Because when he said goes in the DJ table, something like that. But when I went in, you know how there's the lounge room? There's no, the seats are pushed back. Everything's pushed back. And then there's like a big, like, black circle thing. And then you step up. It looks kind of like a
platform?
spinning table. You know, like when you DJ turntables? It looks like a big thing of that.
Really?
Yeah, what is that? I don't know, and then they're like, what's your theme for your concert? But I didn't answer. I was like, I forgot.
Huh. That's weird.
Diba sabi ko kanina, Jess, may narinig kang tugtog.
Oo.
Baka sa kanila yun.
Started practicing? They have a giant turntable. It's pretty cool. So when you dance on it, it's like...
It had like levels. I think maybe
Oh my
3 or
gosh.
2 levels.
It's tight, man.
Yeah. Does it go around? Does it turn?
No, it was like,
Stationary?
it was like a turntable stage. Didn't know.
Dang.
That's all that I saw. But Kuya called it a DJ table. DJ's booth, something like that.
Maybe it's a giant DJ table. You step on it.
Wow.
Siguro pag ginanon may music sa kanila.
Yeah.
Kaya may music.
Oh, it's cool if you run on it, maybe.
Wow, cool.
Oh, cool. So if they want to listen to music, it's fun to watch too.
maybe.
Like, for people that
Don't stop running. I'm trying to listen.
I don't think it was food that they got. I think it was.
Ano?
Yeah, that's what I said. It might have been.
Kaya siguro sabi na,
So set.
masarap.
Did you set this?
Alin?
There was not
Ako yung
something.
siguro pagsasayaw nila masarap.
Denise said she didn't even.
Sa pakiramdam.
So I think she was telling the truth.
Pagkasayaw nila.
She might have been. He might have been.
So?
So,
Really
then
didn't want-
I
she didn't want
remember
us to
who,
know.
Maybe.
So, but set
the
this
one who I
down.
didn't look at before, Joya. I know she's now in the
Siya ba yung nurse
thing.
din?
I don't remember Roy.
Roy's
Oh,
not in
no
there.
hair. And there's none like that there.
Roy? How did he cut his hair?
Yeah, maybe.
Blonde.
How about set?
Blonde. No, no set.
Carlo? Oh, so no set. Cassie?
Did you count? Did you count how many people?
No, because he was fast and then they were
Yeah,
asking a lot
no.
of questions. But yeah, I know Wendy.
Did you introduce yourself? Did they introduce themselves? No.
Yeah, I asked again, what are your names again? And then I was trying to remember the ones I didn't remember. So then I remembered the ones who I didn't remember the last time I went there
Walang Roy?
was ending in Joya.
They didn't say the name Roy.
I can't remember. But I did not see a dude
Orange.
with hair
It's pretty
back.
fast though. Like you
Okay,
can track
and-
Roy.
And Vigo really doesn't have a mohawk anymore.
Yeah, it's cut down.
But I saw the pictures on the chairs. In the dining room.
Still there, my picture?
I think so. But it's nice.
Yeah, Seichi has a picture there too. And I think Jazz, right?
Nice, huh?
You have a picture in their
House.
chair.
It's a really nice house.
Like
Their,
my
their
love.
colors are very, very,
Meron sila
very
picture?
nice.
Beautiful.
It's nice.
Meron kayong pictures sa chair niya?
There, I will.
Oh?
House, yeah.
Right.
For your own.
Super, super bright.
Why?
It's like a bahay
You think
talaga.
it's out?
Ganda talaga ng bahay.
Housemate. No?
Roy couldn't have been force evicted.
But the
He's one of
bedroom
the guys who follow
is
the
very
rules.
spacious.
Yeah, of course, but she
Oh, yeah.
didn't see him.
Siguro the only thing
cut his
nice
hair.
was the bedroom.
But she, you know, Roy.
It's nicer.
Names again? Roy.
You didn't hear, or she
Kigoy was
said she
like,
didn't remember.
because I was like, can I see your house? So they went and showed me.
Because he was still
And then
there last week.
Kigoy was like,
He
this
made
is
the
the girls
song.
and this is the boys. I was like,
Oh,
okay. He's like, no, come look at the boys. So I go in and then he kicks the other 2 boys out. He's like, okay,
now
leave
Vigo
us
looks
alone.
nice.
Like, wow.
Mohawk.
It was a...
Probably his girl.
And he said sorry for
Oh,
farting.
sorry.
Kigoy said sorry.
Who?
Kigoy was like, can you just tell them I'm really sorry, you know that at that time we had a task and it was my strategy. I was like, your fart
they-
was your strategy?
Did they open the present? Or not?
Yeah.
Oh.
But did it
And
smell?
then Yossi, she was like, huh? I don't know. And gave it to another girl.
I didn't smell any cigarette.
What about the...
Did they like
opened
it?
it with you there? What about the...
The eggplant.
Denise had to distribute it.
What about the eggplant?
They liked it.
Yung eggplant.
Vigo was like, spell my name right. And then they're like, Vigo was waiting for you since kanina. And then he's like, thank you so much for the card, Jessica. I was like, it's okay. You know, everybody's name is.
And then, the eggplant, did it
The
say?
eggplant.
Yeah, I said, Paco gave that because Vigo was just kind of like, and then he was like, tell Mama Luz, and he was like, tell him I miss him to you and stuff. But he was just kind of like, looking at it like,
Kaya nga ako tawa lang.
yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
Very quiet here.
This is over there.
Yeah, sis. Yeah, nice there.
Oh, wow.
Why did you cut his mohawk?
So my parang here you are sleeping.
Dude, I like his mohawk.
Hey, the atmosphere is more
His
sleepy.
mohawk was pretty epic.
Yeah.
Wasn't it Liberty Spike?
I think it's the brown and
what
the gold. There
had a
it's like
Liberty Spike
fluoro
mohawk.
colors and white. White, fluoro yellow,
like this.
light blue.
Boom, yep.
Oh my god. It was like,
And then in the bedroom, there's like black and white patterns.
You went to their bedroom?
Uh-oh.
Wow. Looks like my nail is dead.
But I still feel
Mine
like
too.
this is, I don't know, this feels more open.
but there's this very nice.
They just have different colors.
I like it.
But the bedroom here is bigger. There, it's super small, the bedroom.
You saw it?
Like, it's like,
Gonna.
say like, from that wall to here, cut in half, and then they have beds across.
They showed you around?
I think it was Vigil and Kigoy. And then there was another dude, I think it was NC.
So Roy cut his hair all the way down, probably.
Maybe.
Siguro, he didn't see someone to live.
Jericho pala, I now, Jericho's very, very guapo. Yeah, very, very, super, super guapo.
I did not is now.
Yeah, I did. He's really, really First time! What are your names again? And then he was like, I'm Jericho. I was like, oh, he's guapo. He really does look like Piolo and Jericho Rosales mixed together.
Piolo and
He's
Jericho
just,
have-
ano,
Miss Tiso.
Yun siguro yung crush ni Mama Luz. Pick up yung malaki yung ngiti mo, Mama Luz.
Kasi si Carlo nga yung gusto niya eh. Walang blush? Si wala.
Yung ngiti mo, Papa.
but Jericho's very,
Stop it, guys.
very too perfect.
Yeah, like,
Yeah,
may
pinakagwapo.
Siguro dito sa lahat, siya ang pinakagwapo, tapos dito sa mga babae, ikaw ang pinakamaganda. Even in... Even
kaya
si Kim.
Ang dami na, lahat ng babae
Kim and
ganun.
Mark.
Just
Matangkad.
tama lang.
Ang ganda, kamista po narinig ko na isipan
I
niya.
like Kevin. But it's
He's like,
Miss Tiso.
he's very chiseled.
Yeah. And it doesn't show emotion.
He's like wearing a beanie, like you're,
Like he's
yeah,
always wearing,
as in like model.
he's always like ready for photo shoot, like,
Ready for photoshoot.
Very
yeah, the face the same.
Man,
Even the topic
you got
is
this,
sad.
stuff of
The topic is
game,
happiness.
your vanity. You have to be vain times two, right?
He's, alam mo, his face hindi nalilinggo.
But he's like, he's mestizo, but his face is different to yours.
It has
Drew that.
The walking
Parang
mannequin.
mannequin.
Is he one?
Yun.
Oh my
His
God.
face like, almost like perfect.
He looks like he uses like an eye cream, a night
No,
cream.
he does. He does use eye cream.
He looks.
And
Every song na
face-
mannequin ni Katy
face
Perry.
moisturizer. Pati yan,
But like everything's like
he
this
has
and
to
says.
soap his face every morning, evening.
Don't avoid like say she.
Don't avoid.
Oh, he does it more. It's like
ikaw.
so,
Avoid me.
you know, and his hair and his conditioner and don't avoid me. Get out.
He looks like
I'm
you look
surprised.
like a model like
I'm
you're
Your friend?
Well, if Gingo ka rin sir, paano mo din
No.
But Roy is
Wait,
the
no.
name that
What?
Roy is the name that's easy to remember.
Really? Ilang bata?
Position. Yeah, I was like 19.
Roy. Maybe she didn't want to
Pag
remember.
mas matanda na siya.
Mama Luz, sino yung married na Roy?
Tall is married. I guess, but the rest are not. Only tall, I guess.
Jericho. Guwapo. Jericho.
I don't know. It seemed today. It seemed like there was like this, except maybe they have one more person because the furniture.
Pamo,
moved out
alam mo,
because
hindi
of that
makukuha
black
ni
thing.
Seichi yung ano niya, regalo niya pag nangungulit ka.
But they laughed at your. They're like, oh, Pamo, yung promise, the promise. Anong promise niya? I asked, but I forgot.
Secret.
But Slater and Divine loved your card.
Oh, Slater and Divine. Slater and Divine. Sila kasi love team, kaya love nilang sulat ko. Nilagay ko kasi doon, Slater and Divine. Lovers.
Si Divine sobrang gwapa, no? Makita mo na
Baby
siya.
face.
Kasi ang liit ng mukha, tas
But sometimes I have a second thought with Jericho, whether because he's very guapo and
sino?
he's pretty boy. Sometimes I have a second thought whether he's, you know,
Straight or gay?
sino yan?
Because he's too pretty.
I'm not saying anything, but I'm just kinda,
You
you
know,
know,
kinda...
wondering sometimes.
Or kung hindi man yung mga pumapatol.
Huh? Because he's such a pretty boy.
Sino yan?
Jericho. Oo nga, baka yun yung next to ano.
Yung mga pumapatol.
Yung next to, kilala mo na, di ba?
No, yung...
Parang just wondering, I'm just
Ikaw pa lumalabas. Ba't dito marami ka ng kao? Hindi ko nawala, hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko lang naman naulaan, gawa-gawa lang naman. Malay mo, next to ano na nga talaga siya.
Ganap-ganapan, no?
Now, where's Friday's Flight Food?
I wonder when we could eat those mangoes. I don't know.
Oo
I'm
nga,
hungry.
kainin kaya natin yan.